Next problem. A line through 1, comma 0 to curve x square plus y square plus 6x minus 10y plus 1 equal to 0 such that intercept made on it by curve makes 90 degrees at origin. Find the line. 90 degrees at origin అంటే హోమోజినైజేషన్ మనం చెప్పాం కీ పాయింట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీవియస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పినప్పుడు చెప్పామండి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను makes 90 degrees at origin definitely related to homogenization concept. Homogenization makes 90 degrees. This one is a point here, this one is a point B. Origin makes how many degrees? 90 degrees. Let line B y equal to mx plus c. What's the line? Y equal to mx plus c. This line is passes through 1 comma 0. Passes through 1 comma 0. Y is 0, m into 1 m plus c. Now c equals to minus m. Now line becomes y equals to mx minus m. It is a line. Now y equal to mx minus m. Now m equal to mx minus y. 1 equal to mx minus y by m. Homogenization. So S is x square plus y square plus 6x. Degrees required 2 degree. Homogenization. So degrees 2 required. So 6x into constant 1 minus 10y into 1 plus 1 into 1 square is completely constant. So 1 square equal to 0. Now x square plus y square plus 6x into 1. Here 1 is mx minus y by m minus 10y into 1. 1 is mx minus mx minus y by m plus 1 into mx minus y by m whole square equal to 0. Here makes 90 degrees at origin. It means the coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. Now x square plus y square plus 6m x square divided by m minus 6xy divided by m minus 10xy mm cancelled. Better one is mm cancelled minus plus 6x square that step. Minus of minus plus 10y square by m. Now mm can so m this one whole square mm cancelled. So x minus y by m whole square. Now x square plus y square by m square minus 2xy by m equal to 0. Coefficient of x square 1 plus 6 plus 1. Coefficient of y square 1 plus 10 by m plus 1 by m square plus into constant terms or xy. So xy is a minus 6 by m minus 10 minus 2. Now here intercept made on it by curve makes 90 degrees at origin. It means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. A plus b equal to 0. Lines are perpendicular. Now coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. Coefficient of x square its value is 161, right? So 8 plus 1 plus 10 by m plus 1 by m square equal to 0. Solve here. 1 plus 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 10 by m plus 1 by m square equal to 0. Taking LCM m square. 9m square plus 10m plus 1 equal to 0. 9m square plus 9m plus m plus 1 equal to 0. Bring outside 9m, common thing is 9m, m plus 1. So 1 time of m plus 1 equal to 0. Again bring outside m plus 1. M plus 1 times of 9m plus 1 equal to 0. M equal to minus 1 by 9. So what's the line equation? So the line equation y equal to mx minus m. Now y equal to first m equal to minus 1. So minus x minus 1. Next m equal to minus 1 by 9. So y equal to mx minus 1 by 9. Here minus m, minus of minus plus 1. So minus 1 by 9 into x minus m, minus of minus plus 1 by 9. So 9 by equal to minus x plus 1. So line equation. I hope you are understanding. Next question. A line through origin cuts a line x equals alpha, y equal to beta, x plus y equal to 8 at A, B, C. A line through origin cuts those three lines at A, B, C such that OA into OB into OC equal to 48 root 2 and f of alpha beta less than or equal to 0, where f of x comma y by x minus 3 by 2 plus square root of ex plus 2y minus 2e minus 6. Find intercept of x equal to alpha, y equal to beta. Now find OA plus OP plus OC. Third one is equation of line OA. X-axis, y-axis. Now x plus y equal to 8. X equal to 0. Now y equal to 8. Y equal to 0. Now x equal to 8. 8 comma 0, 0 comma 8. This one 8 comma 0. This one is 0 comma 8. 2 points. This line is x plus y equal to 8. Next x equal to alpha. This one is x equal to alpha. Next y equal to beta. This line y equal to beta. A line through origin cuts x equal to alpha, y equal to beta, x plus y equal to 8 at A, B, C. A line passes through origin a line passes through origin. This line cuts x equal to alpha, y equal to beta, x plus y equal to 8 at A, B and C. Now OA into OB into OC equal to 48 root 2 and f of alpha comma beta. F of alpha comma beta less than equal 0. So what is f of alpha comma beta? X equal to alpha, y equal to beta. So x equal to alpha, y equal to beta. So now it is a modulus y is beta, beta by alpha minus 3 by 2 plus square root of e into x, e alpha plus 2 into y, 2 beta minus 2e minus 6 less than equal 0. F of alpha comma beta less than equal 0. This one is a modulus. This one it always positive. It is always positive. Under square root, it must be positive. So modulus and square under square root positive, modulus always positive. So sum of the sum of two positives will never be negative. For example, x square plus y square greater than equal 0. Power of x is even, it is always positive. Power of y is even, it is always positive. Sum of two positive numbers will never be less than 0. So it is possible at only one case. X square must be 0, y square must be 0. 0 plus 0, 0. So x square equal to 0 and y square equal to 0. Sum of two positive numbers will never be less than 0. So each term must be 0. Now beta by alpha minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. E alpha plus 2 beta minus 2e minus 6 equal to 0. Solve these two equations, we get alpha and beta. Two equations solve just alpha beta వస్తుంది కదండి. 2 beta minus 3 alpha equal to 0. So better one, beta by alpha equal to 3 by 2. It means beta is to alpha equal to 3 is to 2. Beta is a multiple of 3, alpha is a multiple of 2. Beta has 3 parts, so alpha has 2 parts. It means beta, the value of beta multiple of 3, the value of alpha multiple of 2. Beta multiple of 3 means the value of beta be 3x, the value of alpha be 2x. So beta be multiple of 3 means 3 possible, 6 possible, 9 possible, 12 possible and so on. The value of alpha be 2x, multiple of 2. Multiple of 2 means 2 possible, 4 possible, 6 possible, 8 possible and so on. So better one is beta equal to 3, alpha equal to substitute చేద్దాం. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకి సాటిస్ఫై అయింది అనుకోండి. సో బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు 3, ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు మనం ఫిక్స్ అయిపోవచ్చు. సో ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు 2, ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు 2e, beta equal to 3, 6 minus 2e minus 6. So exactly 0. So 3 comma 2 will satisfy this one. So beta equal to 3, alpha equal to 2. Beta equal to 3, alpha equal to 2. So first question is the intercept of alpha, x equal to alpha and y equal to beta. So what's the point? 2 comma 3. This point is 2 comma 3. This point is 2 comma 3. I hope you are understanding. Next one is find OA plus OB plus OC. This line is passes through origin, makes an angle theta with a positive direction of x-axis Now OA, slope of OA is m equal to tan theta. Question is the equation of the line OA. Slope tells kadani manaki. Slope tells this one is passes through horizon. మనం ఈజీగా మనం క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫస్ట్ theta మనం క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తాం, ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. సో theta మనం క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయాలి ఫస్ట్. OA length be R1, OB length of OB be R2, length of OC be R3. Now point A. What is point A? Hypotenuse is R1. This one is adjacent. Theta opposite to theta adjacent. This one is R1 cos theta. This one R1 sin theta. What is point A? R1 cos theta, R1 sin theta. Now point B is OB. This one horizon. OB is R2. So this one is R1 R2 cos theta, R2 sin theta. So R2 cos theta, R2 sin theta. Next point C is R3 cos theta, R3 sin theta. I hope you are understanding. 3 points A, B, C are available. Now a point A will pass us through x equals to alpha. Point B, here y equal to B passes through point B. Point A lie on this line. Point B lie on this line, y equal to beta. Point C lie on this line, x plus y equal to 8. Point C lie on this line. So alpha equal to how much? Alpha equal to alpha comma beta. Alpha equal to 2. So x equal to 2. This line is x equal to 2. Beta equal to 3. So now y equal to 3. Beta equal to 3. So x equal to R1 cos theta equal to 2. Y equal to 3. R2 sin theta equal to 3. X plus y. R3 cos theta plus R3 sin theta equal to 8. Now R1 equal to 2 by cos theta. Now R2 equal to 3 by sin theta. Bring outside R3. R3 equal to 8 by cos theta plus sin theta. R1, R2, R3 available. Question number 2 is OA plus OB plus OC. OA plus OB plus OC equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. I hope you are understanding. Now R1 is 2 by cos theta, R2 is 3 by sin theta, this one is 8 by cos theta plus sin theta. First we need to calculate theta, but when theta calculate is the problem is అయిపోతుంది. How to calculate theta? Clearly given OA into OB into OC equal to 48 root 2. Given OA into OB into OC equal to 48 root 2. Here OA means R1. R1 into R2 into R3 equal to 48 root 2. R1 is 2 by cos theta. R2 is 3 by sin theta. 8 by cos theta plus sin theta equal to 48 root 2. 2 3 is a 6, 6 8 is a 48, cancelled out. Now cos theta sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta, cross multiplication, so equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. This one is multiplied by 2 divided by 2. You have multiplied by 1 by root 2 and divided by 1 by root 2. I hope you are understanding. 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2. This one is root 2. Root 2 into this one is sin 45 cos 45. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now sin of A plus B, theta plus pi by 4, 45 degrees, equal to 1 by root 2. Root 2 how many times? Root 2 times. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cancelled out. Now sin 2 theta into sin of theta plus pi by 4 equal to 1. Just assumption here theta equal to pi by 4. Theta equal to pi by 4 substitute student. Theta equal to pi by 4. So pi by 2 sin 90 1. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 2 pi by 4. Pi by 2 sin 90 is 1. 1 into 1 equal to 1. So theta equal to pi by 4. This angle equal to pi by 4. We can find this value. You can find this value. Cos how many degrees is cos theta? Theta equal to pi by 4. Now this one 2 by cos theta, cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2. So 2 root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 3 root 2 plus 8 by this one is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. This one is 2 by root 2, 8 by root 2. So 5 root 2 plus 8 by root 2. Now this one is 5 root 2 plus this one is 4 into 2. 4 2 is 8. So 4 root 2. Finally this will be 9 root 2. I hope you understand it. Second one is 9 root 2. First one is alpha comma beta 2 comma 3. Equation of line OA. Equation of line OA. This one is slope of this line is pi by 4. So slope equal to m equal to 1. M equal to 1. This one is passes through 0 comma 0. So what is the answer? Y equal to x. So actually y minus y1 0 equal to slope 1 into x minus x1. So y equal to x. So equation of line OA is y equal to x. I hope you are understanding. Next problem. ABC, vertices of triangle ABC. Point M and N are taken on ABAC such that MN parallel to BC. Also MN divides area of triangle ABC in half. If M P comma Q, then find P plus root 2 Q. Now 0 comma 0, it is A, point A. Given 0 comma 1, this point is 0 comma 1 B. This one is point C, 1 comma 0, point C. Now it is a triangle ABC. point M and N are taken on AB. M taken on AB. Sorry. M taken on AB. N taken on AC. Point M and N are taken on AB and AC such that MN parallel to BC. Two lines are parallel. MN divides area of triangle ABC in half. MN divides enter this triangle in half. So triangle AMN is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. This length is x, this length also x. Isosceles triangle. Point M is 0, x. Point N is also 0, x. Sorry, x, 0. Point N is on x-axis. So x, 0. Now area of triangle AMN. What is the area of the triangle AMN? Area equals half into product of two sides containing right angle. So area of triangle AMN is half into x into x. X into x is the area of triangle AMN. Clearly given, MN divides area of triangle ABC in half. It means area of triangle AMN. AMN is half of area of triangle ABC. Clearly given, MN divides area of triangle ABC in half. So area of triangle AMN is half of area of triangle ABC. First we need to calculate area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Half into triangle ABC. It is right angle triangle. Half into product of two sides containing right angle AC and AB. Or base AC, height is AN. Base into height. So AC into height is AB. Half into AC. AC length is 1. X coordinate is 1. Now BC length is AB length is 1. Y coordinate is 1. So half. Now area of triangle ABC is half. We can find area of the triangle AMN. Half into this triangle, area of this triangle is half. So 1 by 4. So 1 half area of triangle AMN is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 equals to half of x square. X square equals to 1 to 2 is 1 by 2. Now x equals to 1 by root 2. So what is the point? M 0, 1 by root 2. We given point M P, Q. Point M is P, Q. So point M is 0, x. 0, x. So point M is 0, x. What is x here? X equal to 1 by root 2. So P equal to 0, Q equal to 1 by root 2. Question is find P plus root 2 Q. P plus root 2 Q. P is 0 plus root 2 into Q is 1 by root 2. These two are cancelled. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So answer is 1. I hope you are understanding. Next question. 9x cube plus 9x square y minus 45x square equals 4y cube plus 4xy square minus 20y square represents 3 lines. Find area made by 3 lines. Now 9x cube plus 9x square y minus 45x square equal to 4y cube plus 4xy square minus 20y square. Can we observe here each one is a multiple of 9, 9, 45. Bring outside 9. Now x cube, x square, common thing is x square. Bring outside 9x square. Here x, here only y, here 9x square. So minus 5 equal to. Here y is the common multiple. So 4 is the common multiple. Y cube, y square. Bring outside 4y square. So y plus x minus 5. Your left hand side is x plus 5 minus 5. Here also x plus 5 minus 5. Now 9x square times of x plus y minus 5. This one will take left hand side. So minus 4y square x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So bring outside x plus y minus 5. Now 9x square minus 4y square equal to 0. This one like a square minus b square. X plus y minus 5 into a square minus b square, 3x whole square minus 2y whole square. So 3x minus 2y into 3x plus 2y. I hope you are understanding. So 3 line equations. Yeah, 3 lines are available. X plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Now 3x minus 2y equal to 0. This one is 3x. 3x plus 2y equal to 0. Point A, point B, point C. Point of intersection of these two lines will get point A. Point of intersection of these two lines will get point B. Now point of intersection of these two lines will get point C. A point, B point, C point available on అనుకోండి ఏరియా మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ABC. So add these two. Minus 2y plus 2y cancelled out. 3x plus 3x. 6x equal to 0. X is 0. X0, y equal to 0. This point is 0 comma 0. Now point A. Here x plus y minus 5. 3x minus 2y equal to 0. This one 3x equal to 2y. So better one is here y equal to 5 minus x. Y equal to 5 minus x equal to 0. So 3x plus 2x, 5x equal to 10, x equal to 2. Minus 10, we'll take right hand side plus 10, minus of minus plus. Yeah, y equal to 5 minus x, right? X equal to 2. Here x equal to 2 means y equal to 3. Point A 2 comma 3. Next point B. Solve these two line equations. So 3x plus 2 into y equal to 5 minus x. So 3x minus 2x, x equal to minus 10. So minus 10. X equal to minus 10. Minus 10 minus 5. Minus 15. So y equal to 15. So 3 points available. We can find area of this triangle. So point A 2 comma 3. Point B minus 10 comma 15. Point C 0 comma 0. Point A 2 comma 3. Half into modulus 2 15s are 30. 3 10s are 30. 30 minus 30. Minus of minus 30. plus 0 minus 0, next 0 minus 0, half into this value is 60, so 30 square units. What is the area of the triangle? Here triangle 30 square units. I hope you are understanding. ఇక్కడ మనకు సాల్వ్ చేయడం సింపుల్గా తెలియలేదు అనుకోండి, ప్రాబ్లం డిఫికల్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. చూడండి క్లియర్, ఇక్కడ 9x² కామన్ థింగ్ కాబట్టి కామన్ చేసాం. ఇక్కడ 4y² కామన్ వాల్యూ థింక్ అవుట్ సైడ్. మనకి లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ బోత్ ఆర్ x plus y minus 5, x plus y minus 5 వచ్చింది. ప్రాబ్లం ఈజ్ అయిపోయింది. I hope you are understanding. If equation of sides of parallelogram is 2x minus y plus 7 equal to 0, 2x minus y minus 5 equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0, 3x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0, and diagonals are ax plus by minus 5 equal to 0, px plus qy plus 1 equal to 0. Find a plus b plus p plus q. మనం ఆల్రెడీ డయాగ్నల్స్ ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలనేది మీకు క్లియర్ కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పాను నేను. ఇదే ఫస్ట్ టైం వీడియో వాచ్ చేసేటట్లయితే ఒకసారి మీకు కుదిరితే ముందు ప్రీవియస్ వీడియో చూడండి, మనం క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. లెట్స్ ABCD ఈజ్ ఏ parallelogram. Now ABCD is a parallelogram. Line L1, 2x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. Line L2, 2x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. Line L3, 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Line L4, 3x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides are equal and parallel. One important point, opposite sides are parallel. Parallel means slopes equal ఉండాలి కదా, లైన్స్. సో మనకి ప్యారల్ లైన్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ప్యారల్ లైన్స్ మనకి పారాగ్రామ్ అంటే ఆపోజిట్స్ ప్యారల్, ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్స్ ప్యారల్ అంటే మనకి స్లోప్స్ ఈక్వల్ ఉండేటట్లు తీసుకోవాలి. స్లోప్ ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ 2x minus y minus 2 by minus 1, 2 స్లోప్ వస్తుంది. సో 2 స్లోప్ ఏముందంటే దిస్ వన్. సో దిస్ లైన్ ఈజ్ 2x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. స్లోప్స్ ఈక్వల్ ఉన్నాయండి. మనకి ఇక్కడ స్లోప్ ఏమొస్తుంది L4 అండ్ L2. Here L2 is 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Your slope equal to, slope of this line equal to minus 3 by 2. So 3x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. I hope you are understanding. So what is a parallelogram? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides are equal and parallel. Parallel lines parallel ఉండాలంటే slopes equal ఉండాలి. These two slopes are equal, these two slopes are equal. So lines are parallel. చూడండి రఫ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం మనం. ABCD is a quadrilateral. మనం AC డయాగ్రామ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలనుకోండి. డయాగ్నల్ AC, లైన్ L1, లైన్ L2, లైన్ L3, లైన్ L4. AC డయాగ్నల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే జాయింట్ ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకోవాలి. వాట్ జాయింట్ ఈక్వేషన్? L3 ఇంటూ L4 ఈక్వల్ 0. ఇంకో జాయింట్ ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకోవాలి, L1 ఇంటూ L2. జాయింట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ టూ ఈక్వల్ 0 అండ్ ఈక్వేట్ దెమ్. L3 ఇంటూ L4 ఈక్వల్ L1 ఇంటూ L2. ఇది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే మనకి AC డయాగ్నల్ వస్తుంది, డయాగ్నల్ AC. మనకి బీడీ డయాగ్నల్స్ కావాలనుకోండి, డయాగ్నల్ బీడీ, బీసీయా బీడీ, డయాగ్నల్ బీ, హౌ టు క్యాల్కులేట్ డయాగ్నల్ బీడీ. సో జాయింట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ టూ AC is the joint equation. L2 into L3 equal to 0, and joint equation of L1 and L4. L1 and L4. So now equate them. L2 into L3 equals L1 into L4. ఏంటి సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకు వస్తుందండి డయాగ్నల్ బీడీ. సో డయాగ్నల్ ఏసీ కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి, జాయింట్ ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఏసీ కావాలంటే జాయింట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ టూ అండ్ జాయింట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ టూ అండ్ ఈక్వేట్ దెమ్. సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే ఏసీ డయాగ్నల్ వస్తుంది. బీడీ డయాగ్నల్ కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి, జాయింట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ L3 and L3 and L2 and joint equation of L1 and L4 and equate them. Simplify చేస్తే డయాగ్నల్ బీడీ వస్తుంది. ఈ క్లియర్ కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పాను ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోస్లో చూడండి. So two diagonals find out చేయాలి. Two diagonals are available. One diagonal is ax plus by minus 5 equal to 0 and the diagonal px plus qy plus 1 equal to 0. So diagonal AC మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేద్దాం. Diagonal AC. So joint equation L3 and L4. Next another joint equation L3 and L4. Next AC diagonal find out challenge joint equation of these two and the joint equation of these two L1 and L2. And now equate them. L3 into L4 equals L1 into L2. ఈ మనం సాల్వ్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏసీ డయాగ్నల్ వస్తుంది. హౌ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ డయాగ్నల్ బీడీ డయాగ్నల్. బీడీ డయాగ్నల్ కావాలంటే జాయింట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ టూ, జాయింట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ L2 and L3, అనదర్ జాయింట్ ఈక్వేషన్ L1 and L4. L1 and L4. Now equate them. L2 into L3 equals L1 into L4. L1 into L4. ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏసీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం, నెక్స్ట్ బీఈడి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. ఆల్రెడీ మనకి డయాగ్నల్స్ అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నాయి కదండి. సో ఈ డయాగ్నల్స్ కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఏబి అండ్ పీక్యూ వాల్యూస్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో L3 and L4. L3 and L4. L3 is L3. 2x minus y minus 5 into L4 3x plus 2y plus 4 equals L1 is 2x minus y plus 7 into 3x plus 2y minus 5. Can you observe 2x minus y into 3x plus 2y? The friends are available. 2x minus y into 3x plus 2y, right hand side available. Now 2x minus y into 3x plus 2y. Now minus 5 into remaining function. Minus 5 into this value. Minus 15x minus 10y minus 20. Now 4 into this value only. So 4 2s are plus 8x minus 4y. Now right hand side 2x minus y into 3x plus 2y plus 7 into enter this 21x plus 14y minus 5 minus 5 into this value plus minus 5 minus 10x plus 5y. So these two are cancelled out. Minus 15x plus 8x minus 7x minus 14y minus 20 equals 21x minus 10 11x. So plus 19y minus 5. 11x plus 7 18x. 19 plus 14 33y. This side plus 15 equal to 0. This is one diagonal AC. A small mistake. 7 to 5, 7 5 is minus 35. This one is minus 35. So this one is minus 35. So minus 35 plus 20. So plus 15. This one is minus 15. I hope you are understanding. Next, we need to find a diagonal BD. Line L2, 3x plus 2y minus 5. Line L3, 2x minus y minus 5 equals line L1, 2x minus y plus 7 into line L4, 3x plus 2y plus 4. Procedure line ఉంటుందండి. By mistake simplification wrong ఉంటే do it yourself. ట్రై చేయండి మీరు, వస్తుంది. సో టూ డయాగ్నల్స్ మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి కంపేర్ చేస్తా ఏబి అండ్ పీక్యూ వాల్యూస్ మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు, ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. మన ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే నీడ్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ పీ ప్లస్ పీ ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. బై మిస్టేక్ ఏమైనా సింప్లిఫికేషన్ రాంగ్ ఉంటే కరెక్ట్ చేయండి. సో 3x plus 2y, 2x minus y, 2x minus y, 3x plus 2y, right? 3x plus 2y into 2x minus y. Minus 5 into enter this one, minus 10x plus 5y plus 25, minus 5 into only these two times, minus 15x minus 10y equals 2x minus y into 3x plus 2y, 7 into enter this time, 21x plus 14y, 7 4s 28, 4 into only these two times plus 8x minus 4y. These two are cancelled out. Minus 10x minus 15x minus 25x minus 5y plus 25 equals 21 plus 8 to 29x plus 14 minus 4 plus 10y plus 28. 29, we should get all the terms one side. 29x minus 25x, 4x, 10y plus 4 plus 15y, so plus 3 equals 0. It is one diagonal. Okay, one diagonal let me children compare this one, ax plus here one diagonal is 18x plus 33y minus 15 equal to 0. Check once this one. There is a small mistake here. 29x plus 25x, this one is 54x. 10y plus 5y, 15y, 28 minus 25 is right. So one diagonal this one, another diagonal BD diagonal is 54x plus 15y plus 3 equal to 0. Two diagonals calculate చేద్దాం, కంపేర్ చేద్దాం. If given one diagonal is diagonal 1 AC or BD, మనకి ఏది మ్యాచ్ అయితే తీసుకోవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. diagonal 1 AC అనుకుందాం. ax plus by minus 5 equal to 0. Another diagonal 2 is px plus qy plus 1 equal to 0. Diagonal 2 is BD. AC diagonal and BD diagonal. మనకి AC diagonal మనకి మ్యాచ్ కావాలనుకోండి ఏం చేస్తాం, దీన్ని BD diagonal తీసుకుంటాం, దీన్ని AC diagonal తీసుకుంటాం. చూద్దాం. సో వాట్ ఇస్ diagonal AC? 18x plus 33y minus 15 equal to 0. Here constant term minus 5 అండి. కాన్స్టెంట్ టైం మైనస్ 5 ఉంది, 3తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే మైనస్ 5 వస్తుంది కదా. దిస్ వన్ డివైడెడ్ బై 3, 6x ప్లస్ 11y మైనస్ 5 equal to 0. Now compare these two. Compare. A equal to 6, B equal to 11. Right. Next one. Diagonal BD. What diagonal BD? 54x plus 15y plus 3 equal to 0. Here constant 1 ఉంది, here constant 3 ఉంది. So 3 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది కదండి, డివైడెడ్ బై 3. So 3 18s 54, 3 5s 15 plus 1 equal to 0. Now compare these two. The value of P 18, the value of Q is 5. I hope you are understanding. So therefore final answer is A plus B plus P plus Q. The value of A 6, the value of B 11, the value of P 18, the value of Q 5. 17 plus 18, 35 plus 5 40. Final answer is 40. I hope you are understanding.